Hello, and thank you for watching. In this video, I will show you how to block location access in the Ecosia browser on your Android device. Controlling location permissions is important for your privacy and security. Follow these simple steps carefully, and you will be able to disable location tracking in no time. Open the Ecosia browser on your Android mobile device. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Find the option labeled Location and tap it. Finally, turn off the location access by toggling the switch. That's it. You have successfully blocked location access in Ecosia browser on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.